Okay, now Sanjay Kumar Singh is with us on the line. Sanjay, hi, what's your question?
Hi Vasudha, my budget is around 50 lakhs and my location preference is Noida Extension and Greater Noida. I have already shortlisted Smriddhi Grand Avenue and JM Florence. So kindly help me out.
Okay, 3 BHK, 50 lakhs, Smriddhi Grand Avenue and JM Florence. Dhruv, would you like us to run us through the market stats of Noida Extension? What is the market looking like today, and your feedback on these two projects?
Sure, the market is looking fairly reasonable, and the two projects he's shortlisted are both good projects, so you can go ahead with either. We've also recommended one more project for him, Gulshan Belina, in the same micro market. Just looking at the Noida Extension micro market first, the inventory overhang is 35 months, and the weighted average price is 3,500 rupees a square foot, and this micro market is growing at about 10.5% per annum. Now Sanjay's first preference is Smriddhi Grand Avenue by Smriddhi Realty Homes. This is available at about 3,500 rupees a square foot. There's also actually a subvention scheme available in this project. The project has luxury amenities like open air theatre, palm courts, landscape gardens, swimming pools, central lawn, water bodies, etc. The other project he was talking about is JM Florence by JM Group. This is available at around 3,000 rupees a square foot. Again, a subvention scheme available in this project as well. Amenities include walking and jogging tracks, gym, shopping arcade, rainwater harvesting, swimming pool, etc. In addition to that, we actually also advise him to look at Gulshan Belina by Gulshan Homes. This is located in Sector 16, available at about 3,300 rupees a square foot, and amenities in this project include swimming pool, gymnasium, exclusive welcome lounge and coffee shop, OPD facility, rainwater harvesting, amphitheatre, etc.
Okay, so those are the options in Noida Extension. We'll stay with Uttar Pradesh and now look at the micro market of Ghaziabad. Praveen writes he wants to buy a property within 32 lakhs in Siddharth Vihar in Ghaziabad, looking at a 2 BHK house for his end use. What are the options here? Okay, Siddharth Vihar is, I believe, a new emerging micro market in Ghaziabad. Dhruv, what is it looking like?
That's right. I mean, we recommend 3 projects. So the micro market is good. He can go ahead with that micro market. There are 3 projects we recommend within this micro market for him: Prateek Grand City, Apex Kremlin, and Mahagunapuram 2. First, looking at the micro market of Siddharth Vihar and Pratap Vihar, the inventory overhang is 34 months. The weighted average price is about 3,500 rupees, growing at about 7% per annum. The first project we recommend for Praveen is Prateek Grand by Prateek Group. This is part of a 40-acre township, selling at about 3,500 rupees a square foot. The amenities include golf carts, gym, water bodies, shopping arcades, in-house high school, hospital, etc. The next project we recommend for him is Apex Kremlin by Apex Buildcon. This is right on NH24, available at about 3,500 rupees a square foot. Amenities include clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, garden, shopping arcades, landscape gardens, etc. And the third project we recommend for him is Mahagunapuram 2 by Mahagun India. Again, bang on NH24, available at about 3,000 rupees a square foot. So make sure to check out the payment plans. They've got a variety of payment plans in this particular project, and 450 families are already living in this project. It's got all the basic amenities including clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, etc.
Okay, so we're talking about Siddharth Vihar. It's a new emerging locality along the NH24, and like we know, NH24 is being widened as part of the Delhi-Meerut Expressway project, but you must remember this is an end-users market. It's an emerging market. Infrastructure is yet to catch up, so don't look at short-term returns in this market. Look at it as an end-use option. Praveen recapping the options in Siddharth Vihar for you: Prateek Grand City, Carnesia by Prateek Group. There is Apex Kremlin by Apex Buildcon and Mahagunapuram 2 by Mahagun India. Okay, we'll take a